Toyota Corolla Cross GR Sport. The sporty SUV you can't have. Toyota just revealed a bold new version of the Corolla Cross, but there's a catch. This upgraded GR Sport trim is only available in Japan. And while the rest of the world gets the standard, practical version, Japanese buyers are treated to the most aggressive Corolla Cross yet. GR Sport styling and performance. The Corolla Cross GR Sport brings a sharper, sportier look, with a body kit inspired by the GR Corolla. It features a redesigned front bumper, larger intakes, and a sleeker splitter. Add in black 19-inch alloy wheels, red brake calipers, and lowered suspension, 10 mm lower, to be exact, and it's clear this isn't your average compact SUV. Inside, the upgrades continue. You'll find suede-like bucket seats with grey stitching and GR Sport branding, along with a stiffer chassis for a more planted ride feel. Hybrid power and unique tech. Under the hood is a high-output 2.0-litre hybrid engine paired with a 10-speed sequential shift-matic transmission and Toyota's E4 all-wheel drive system. There's also an exclusive sport mode to enhance driving dynamics. Meanwhile, standard Corolla Cross models in Japan stick with a 1.8-litre hybrid. Japan also gets features you won't find elsewhere, like a snow extra mode and signal road projection, which uses the turn signals to project arrows on the road, ideal for communicating with pedestrians and cyclists. GR Parts and Modellista customization. Want to go further? Toyota offers an extensive GR Parts catalog. Extras include an even more aggressive body kit, carbon fiber accents, extra chassis bracing, and GR-branded accessories like floor mats and valve caps. If sporty isn't your style, the Modellista line offers a tech-elegant style package with body-colored aero parts, chrome accents, and 18-inch alloy wheels for a more premium look. Pricing and availability. The Corolla Cross GR Sport goes on sale in Japan starting August 4th, priced from 3,895,000 yen, or about $27,200. The standard model starts at around $19,300. But don't get too excited. Toyota has no plans to bring this GR-tuned version to North America or other global markets. This is the Corolla Cross enthusiasts have been waiting for, but unless you're in Japan, it's out of reach. Still, it shows what's possible when Toyota lets its performance division have a little fun with the practical SUV. Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more car reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.